In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up your PayPal business account in 2025. This comprehensive guide will walk you through each step, ensuring you can quickly and efficiently get your business account ready. Let's dive right in. To get started, head over to PayPal's business account setup page using the link provided. Once the page loads, you'll notice a clearly highlighted section. Click on this to proceed. This section is designed to make navigation straightforward, so hitting the highlighted area will take you right where you need to go next. When you see the option for account type, select individual. This choice is crucial as it caters to those who are setting up a business account for sole proprietors. Once selected, you'll need to click Next to continue the process. Now let's fill in some personal information. Type in your date of birth. PayPal requires this to verify your identity and ensure all accounts are legitimate. Next, you're going to enter your phone number and address details. Pick the P.O. Box option if it applies and input your complete address. Double check this for accuracy. The address you provide here will be essential for any physical correspondence. Once entered, click Next again. For the business information section, click where it says business name. And here you should accurately type in your business's legal name. If you have a doing business as DBA name, this should be included as well. After entering your business name, you'll be directed to select your product or service category. Choose digital goods applications, excludes games if this suits your business. This helps PayPal understand your business model and tailor its services to your needs. Next, input your business's website URL. Including a website gives your business credibility and offers PayPal another way to verify your business's activities. Following this, you'll come across a residential address option. Click the tick box to use your residential address if applicable. If not, use the P.O. Box option as previously specified, then click Next to continue. As part of security protocols, PayPal will need to verify your phone number. Click where it offers to text you a code. This is an extra layer of security to ensure it is indeed you setting up this account. Once you receive the code via text, type it in the highlighted field and then click Submit. Finally, once all these steps are completed, click Go to Homepage to conclude the setup process. Congratulations, you now have your PayPal business account ready to go. You're now all set to handle your business transactions with ease, leveraging PayPal's robust features. If you have any questions or need further clarification on any step, feel free to rewind this video or visit PayPal's support section for more details. Thanks for watching, and best of luck with your business endeavors.